Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then open the right settings immediately. Make sure your system is updated and plugged into power, because performance modes depend on firmware and stable power. Once ready, close background apps that use CPU or GPU resources so the mode has impact. Now navigate to Settings, choose System and Gaming on PC or the equivalent on console. This gets you to the game mode controls, so you can make targeted changes without delay. You enable game mode and then configure the detailed options that produce real gains. Toggle game mode on first and make sure GPU scheduling or hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled when your GPU and drivers support it, because that lowers latency and improves frame pacing. Next, set process priority for your game and turn off background recording if it costs FPS. Finally, adjust network or CoS settings to prioritize gaming traffic. Together, these changes focus resources where they matter most. You finish by applying and validating the changes to confirm improvement. Restart your system to ensure game mode and related settings take effect, then launch a demanding title to measure frame rate and latency. If you see instability or worse performance, make small, single changes back to defaults. This isolates the fault. Also update GPU drivers and console firmware if problems persist, because outdated drivers often conflict. If nothing works, disable your last, change one by one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.